Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine, and we will start by closing this application, which I don't need. Okay, yes, bye. And then we will proceed with 5 minutes of typing practice. We'll just start with it. I have this one is not finished yet, so let's go. No, few seconds. Wow. Okay. Oh, damn it. I did complete it. Oh well. Whatever. That happened. Thanks, leaders. Okay, so we will continue on the execute program, and I believe I have a few things that I can go over here. JavaScript recited thing, types JavaScript, yeah, regex is probably no, SQL maybe, TypeScript maybe. Okay, so let's see. Oh, cool. I have some reviews to go over. So let's start the time again. Okay, so this will be false. ACE February string blank. Okay, so this is true. Index of, so this will be 0. Slice -3, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1. So it will be 20, 30, 40. Maybe. 20. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 2. Okay. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, maybe. 1, so it maybe is 30, 40. That sounds like it. 30, 40. Okay. Some number true numbers. 3, and we do map, and the nums will be the same. I think this will not, should not change it, right? I think so. It's not. Okay, so map changes the original array. Okay, so we will slice -100, so this means everything. In this case, mapping. Okay, so this will definitely return. Oh no, that should be one. Okay. So this will return then 2030 index. So this will be -1. Second chance in here, and that will be 1. That's correct. Okay. All right. So JavaScript done in here. Modern JavaScript. Cool. So object true, object keys. Okay, so this will return array, and it will be true like so. User constructor static default names. Sure. User default names, and it will be second. So 0, 1, 2, Cindy. Cindy. User Betty username. Yeah, this will work. So it will be Betty. Code problem. Write a function named class with method. It takes one argument, method name. It returns a class with a method whose name comes from method name. Sure. Okay, so class with method takes a method name like so. Then we will return a class. Return as anonymous class, close that. Then the constructor will be just constructor, no parameters, nothing inside. Yeah, and then we'll have the thing method name, and that will return return this method name, like so. Why is everything red, huh? Something is not right. Oh, I see. Because I haven't closed that thing properly. That should be okay. Method name. Unexpected end of input. I didn't close the method. This method over here. Okay, so this is true, false, true. Static method to simulate an alternate constructor in this rectangle class. The static method name should be square. It takes one argument size. Okay, statics where size it is. Okay, and it should what? It returns rectangle whose width and height are both equal size. Okay, so return new rectangle size. Okay, close the method. That should be it. And it is. Name string name symbol. Name string symbol. Yeah, this will work as well. So this will be Amir, and the second one will be Betty. Function create a user class. Make it verbose. Okay. The method name settings. Then yeah, constructor. Right. Okay. This will work, and it will be Amir and Betty. Typo. Second chance. Method name. So return. We just return class. It will be class. So constructor will take nothing and do nothing. Then we will have the method name. Method name. It will take no parameter, and it will return the thing. It will be this is method name. And I have bad thing in here, like so. Like so. Close it. And should return it. Okay, so return that, close this method, close the class, close the function. It's good. Okay, and here it will be Amir and Betty. Okay. Symbols. Why do I have that? I was doing this already. This object, no matter what the object looks like. Any object, normally. Okay, so that will be like so. Oh, as a string, okay. I can customize that stringification by overriding toString method class. ToString, this is name, okay. This is this name. So it will be, this is Mayor. So, and the toString is just toString, no parameters, and the body, okay. There's also a second way to customize toString. We can customize the object part of the object string even without overriding toString method. JavaScript has a number of predefined symbols, including symbol toString tag. This is just a regular symbol, like the one we could define ourselves. The only special thing about this particular symbol is that it's defined by the JavaScript language standard itself. The built-in toString method access property, this symbol toString tag, okay. Then inserts the value that it finds into the toString result. If we change the value of this symbol toString tag, then toString return will change accordingly. Okay, so this symbol is name. And when we do, oh, okay, so this is object and a mirror symbol toString. Okay, changes one part. The object with big O, it works, but there's a bug. If we change the user's name to the toString output won't change. That's because this symbol toString tag is only assigned during object construction. Okay, so this will be again object Amir. How do we ensure that the toString output reflects any changes to the user? We could reassign this symbol toString whenever name is changed, but we might forget to keep them in syncs when changing this code in the future. Yeah, it's better to make this symbol toString a getter. Then it will be recomputed automatically whenever it's accessed, guaranteeing that it never goes out of date. Computed property syntax let us use symbol toString as a getter name. First, let's define and call the getter to see how it works in isolation. So it will return a mirror. Okay, so this will return a mirror. To take it very explicit, there's no method where named toString tag or named symbol the toString tag. Method's name isn't a string at all. It's the symbol value held inside the symbol toString tag variable. Wow. Okay. Oh man, so this will be undefined. Undefined. And this will be mere. The getter solves the problem of toString returning an out-of-date value. ToString will correctly react to changes in the user's name. Okay. Sure. Uh-huh. Const user string, const emitter string, user toString, username Betty, string. Okay, so we will get this, and that will be object mirror, like so. And then we will have object Betty like that. As usual, anything that we can do with a class can also be done with a regular object. In the example, we define the same string tag getter on the regular object, and toString will react to it appropriately. Yeah, but this is not a function, right? Oh no, that's the to tag. Okay, the symbol pointing to that. Okay, so this will be there. This will be this object mirror, right? Symbols are considered out of band data or metadata. They are not a normal part of object. For example, when we serialize an object with JSON stringify, symbol keys are ignored completely. Only the regular string keys are serialized. If we round trip an object into JSON and back, it will have the effect of stripping off all symbol keys. Okay, so we'll get name Amir, and that's it. This is a very convenient part of symbols. If implementation details like symbol to string did not show up in JSON, that could cause our API responses to be excessively large. Hurting performance. Worse, if we happen to store any sensitive information in symbol keys, then including them in API responses could cause security problems. Fortunately, neither of those problems actually exist because JSON stringifying ignores symbols keys. Cool. Define a convertible class with myStringTag and myString, which work in the same way as symbol toString tag. Your class should have a myString method that does the same thing as toString. That method should access the myStringTag symbol property on this, so that object can customize their own myString behavior without redefining myString itself. The default output of myString should be object. So you'll need to provide a default implementation of myString tag that returns object. Okay, we've included a class that will inherit from all convertible class and customize its string conversion. Remember that you can never access a symbol key by doing, symbols. Okay, so here is the convertible. My string tag will be object. It will be symbol object, like so. Then I have my string tag. And I will have convertible. So we will be on a constructor setting the thing, right? So convertible, so here we will have the constructor. Constructor which will take name, and we will set my string tag equal to name, or we will do symbol name. Oh, it was here. Constructor this symbol to string tag. Okay. Oh, I have to do this symbol to string tag. Okay. I will not paste it. This string will be my string tag go name like this. What else do I need? This okay? I don't believe so. Typer undefined is not irritable. Cannot read properties. Symbol iterator. What? Wow. Oh, my string. Okay. So my string takes nothing and returns turn, and it should be something like this object, and here will be this string tag. Okay, well, we are over the time, so that means we are done. Done is better than perfect. I'll see you next time.